Once upon a time, there was a hungry fox. She positioned herself under a tree, raised her head, and saw on a branch a little bird sleeping peacefully. "Oh, what a nice morsel! Today we eat." She opened her jaws with ready to devour the bird when suddenly the wind blew, the branch broke, the little bird flew away, and the fox, she gasped. "Oh, it really didn't take this wind," said the fox. "I'll be back tomorrow." The next day, at the same time, under the same tree, children guess who come? The fox came, looked at the tree, and saw that the bird was sleeping peacefully on the branch. She opened her jaws ready to devour the little bird, when suddenly a roar, a lightning bolt, the branch snapped. The little bird flew away, and the fox, she gasped. "But look what had to happen to me. Yesterday the wind, today the storm. I, poor fox, never hit. I'll come back tomorrow and eat it." Oh, the third day, at the same time, under the same tree, the fox came up, raised his head, and did not see the bird. Oh, where did it go? On the third day, at the same time, under the same tree, the fox came up, raised his head, and did not see the bird. Oh, where did it go? She looked away and saw the little bird peacefully drinking the river water. "Oh, it was my fate that I ate this little bird," said the fox. She silently approached it without making a noise, stood up on two legs, ready to devour the bird. Meanwhile, the little bird saw the fox's shadow on the water and he drank. The little bird leapt, took flight, and the fox drowned. And "Help, help! I can't swim! I can't swim!" And the fox drowned.